I will introduce you to InvestPlanner, our joint solution created within the DanubeDNA project. We wanted to create a solution that is designed to help and simplify planning and structuring business ideas and investments. Investment planning is often a complex process. It requires time, knowledge, and experience, which for many SMEs is a significant challenge because they often do not know where to start. There is no clear structure to follow. Important elements are missing, and sometimes financial aspects can be difficult to understand, which leads to incomplete or weak business plans. As a result, many good ideas may not be recognized, and many projects may fail to secure funding or support. That is why we created the solution. InvestPlanner is designed to address these challenges. It provides a clear and structured approach to investment planning, and the tool guides users step by step through the process, simplifying complex business and financial concepts. So, users do not need advanced expertise to use it. The process becomes more manageable and easier to follow. The AI support helps users create and improve content and reduces the risk of errors and inconsistencies, which results in more complete and professional outputs. Overall, the tool makes investment planning faster and more efficient. So, how does the tool work? The tool works in 3 main steps. First, users need to define their business, what they want to offer, who their customers are, and how they plan to operate. So the business idea needs to be clearly defined. Second, the tool analyzes the business using key indicators and provides recommendations for improvement. And finally, the tool generates a complete investment study that can be used for investors or for funding applications. Each step builds upon the previous one, creating a logical and structured process. Users are guided throughout the entire workflow, which reduces confusion and increases clarity, and it also ensures that no important elements are missing. In the first module, users define their business idea in a structured way, which includes understanding the market, identifying the customers, analyzing the competitors, and defining how the business will operate. This also includes financial basics such as expected costs and revenues. The goal here is to build a clear and complete picture of the business. Once the business is defined, the second module focuses on analysis. The system will evaluate key business indicators, highlight strengths and weaknesses, and provide recommendations. For example, how to improve profitability, reduce risks, or optimize performance. This helps users better understand their business and make informed decisions. In the final step, the tool will generate a complete investment study, which is a structured, professional document that includes key elements from the business description to the financial analysis. Later, it can be used for investors, funding applications, or internal planning. What makes this tool especially useful is the AI support. It supports users in writing and structuring content, improves clarity and consistency, and provides suggestions for improvement, which makes the tool accessible to a wider range of users. Even those without strong business or financial knowledge can use it, so it simplifies the entire process. For users, the benefits of these tools are very significant. First, the tool saves time and reduces complexity. It also improves the quality and credibility of business plans, especially when presenting ideas, and it helps users move from an idea to concrete investment proposals. So this is it for the theoretical part of the tool. Now, my colleague Birgit Boehning will take over and show you the tool in practice.
My intention was to show the structure of the investment plan. First, the entrepreneur and project leader description, then the market analysis. The third point is the employee's dynamic and structure, followed by the technical investment elements. The location and human environment protection. There, we address sustainability measures, compliance with regulations, and eco-friendly practices. The 7-step investment implementation dynamic outlines the timeline, phases, milestones, and risk management for smooth execution. The marketing plan offers strategies for promotion, sales channels, pricing, and customer acquisition to ensure market penetration. Then, the economic and financial section provides detailed projections on costs, revenues, cash flows, and funding sources. And with the economic market assessment, the user gets an evaluation of macroeconomic factors and their impact on viability. The sensitivity analysis tests scenarios for variables like costs or sales to demonstrate resilience. The performance indicators include key metrics such as ROI, NPV, IRR, and break-even points for measurable success. And finally, a synthesis of strengths, expected outcomes, and a call to action. Going to the first point, the AI-powered Content Assistant is an easy-to-use integrated tool in the module for writing investment studies. You can add your text, like we did previously, and ask the AI assistant for suggestions. It can write an example of how the results could look in the web application. And finally, by accepting it, you are taking it over into your investment study. You can change it or leave it as you have written it. The Intelligent Action Analysis reviews each study section, identifies gaps and areas for improvement, and provides actionable recommendations. In this example of market analysis and revenue forecast for 10 years of business, the numbers are filled automatically based on previous entries and can be analyzed with the help of AI. The Intelligent Analysis section helps to gain more insights into the investment study. For example, on the slide, the AI assistant offers the revenue projection summary, key analysis points, and recommendations for improving the study. And then we have the AI-assisted KPI improvement. You have here a detailed presentation of KPIs for every year of the study, and you can go through it and check them. The analysis suggests improvement strategies and provides data-driven decision support. As you can see it now for the third year of the study, it will give you more information on the KPIs. You can change the year and get another analysis. And this is an example of the AI-assisted KPI, suggested improvements with more key insights, generated in just a couple of seconds, as you can see. You are also getting a textual description. In this example, the KPI improvement function provides the user with suggestions for improvement. And finally, we have the document generation. It provides instant, high-quality Word document generation, optimized for professional submission and presentations. It ensures formatting consistency and saves valuable time, enabling a focus on strategic business activities and investors' engagement. I would just like to share one outcome with you. That is an example of how it would look in a Word document. First, like all documents, we have the table of contents, a list of tables, and a list of figures, followed by the text we entered. And through all the sections where we have filled the tables, we have the numbers. Later on, we also have the figures which show the statistical information of the study. It is further down in the document. As you can see here, the total income or the total expenses. And yes, this is a study with 105 pages, and I can show you that this document is generated in just a couple of seconds. Just to see that it is really an outcome from the application. Just to show you, we have gone through the first study. We have the export option with the print function. We can choose which sections we would like to export into the Word document, and just by clicking OK, it generates and downloads it. I hope this was insightful for everyone. We think the tool is really useful, not just for writing business proposals and projects, but also for internal use within businesses.